Legal Memorandum, The Principle of No Victim, No Crime and its Implications in Common Law. This memorandum examines the foundational legal principle of no victim, no crime and its relevance in the context of natural and common law. This principle posits that a true crime necessitates a harmed or injured party, generally a living individual, rather than a corporation or fictional entity. Through this exploration, we consider the implications for personal rights, the definition of property, and the legal boundaries of lawful possession. Legal principle: no victim, no crime. Definition of crime under common law. In the framework of natural law, a crime is fundamentally an action that causes harm or injury to another party. Thus, the absence of a victim implies the absence of a crime, underscoring the inherent rights of individuals to control their property and choices without undue interference, provided no harm is done to others. Understanding property and rights. The right to property is foundational in understanding common law rights. Property includes any rightful possession acquired without theft or harm, under an individual's control, and used responsibly. This encompasses both tangible assets, e.g., land, physical goods, and intangible assets, e.g., personal autonomy, freedom of choice. Transgressions against natural law. Violations of natural law are viewed as wrongful acts or forms of theft, as they infringe upon another's property rights. These transgressions include murder, assault, rape, theft, trespassing, coercion, and deception. Each of these actions deprives individuals of their inherent rights and property, constituting the core forms of harm that common law seeks to prevent. Implications for civil and criminal actions. Under natural law, corporations, as fictitious entities, cannot be considered victims in the same way as living individuals. True crimes necessitate a living, harmed party, which implies that corporate-based enforcement actions may not align with the no victim, no crime standard when they target individuals without actual harm to others. Conclusion. The principle of no victim, no crime highlights the importance of harm-based accountability in law, reinforcing individual rights to possess, use, and control property without interference, as long as no harm is inflicted upon others. In an era of increasing enforcement of regulatory and corporate-driven policies, this principle invites reconsideration of true criminality and its implications for personal and property rights.